This is what it looks like.
Ooh.
And wash our cars.
That's garage goals right there. Damn. Good morning, CG family. We are at my house right now, and we're about to head up north. What are we gonna do to your car first?
Oh, crap. Diffuser.
Are we okay? So I guess this video is about the diffuser. So clearly you're watching to see us install the diffuser on the 350Z. Stay tuned. Today I'm gonna be driving the Z, and Christina's gonna be taking the Stang. Just to switch it up a little bit. We like switching cars.
You're like, what is this shit on my car? No, stop. What? Is that shit on my car?
Christina is in back of me. And up ahead we have dark ass skies. So I'm not looking forward to driving through that, but looks like we gotta do it. So hopefully we only have to be in the rain for a few minutes, but we will see. I need to get my
straight up entering a rainstorm.
I know, it's crazy. I mean, out of nowhere, look at that. You can see it pouring right there, and it's not even raining here. Like, this is crazy. Getting gas. I have my glove on, and Christina's over there around the corner, but I already know she spotted the Tim Hortons right there. Let me see the yellow fog lights. Ooh, those boys look nice. And now we caught traffic in Flint. Shout out to all my friends.
Is there a reported accident or something?
We are getting off to use the rest stop because I gotta go. But at the same time, we have to be pretty careful not to touch anything.
What's up, guys? So Grant already started up this video. I didn't really know we were recording on our way. So we're at a rest area right now. Grant had to go to the bathroom, and so do I. But I just wanted to turn the camera on to quickly say hi, but I also wanted to say it's so funny seeing people like do their like pee walk to the bathroom because, you know, everyone's just been in the car for hours.
The rest stop's pretty crowded, but luckily all the doors were open, so I didn't have to touch anything. Got a perfect straightaway, no traffic. What do you guys think? You think we should do a pull? 40 roll or something? I think maybe next time. Uh-oh. We got the po-po. See, I'm glad that's not us.
Oh, hell no.
Got a Cobra. She's sexy. We got clear skies. Look at that. Looks like we got a 650i on our hands. Ooh, that's pretty. It's X-Drive 650i. Twin turbo V8. That boy hustles. And the car is growing on Christina. 95 was closed for at least like 10 miles. So now we have to take a detour. Wide open freeway. This is what I'm talking about. There it is, Indian River. Very buggy, and we decided to just come home because we're gonna go probably wash them later tonight or in the morning, but we're gonna pull them in the garage right now. Time to unpack the cars. The absolute best part. Don't you agree that the best part's unpacking?
Totally not.
It was sarcasm. The only thing we did not bring up for the 350Z is the spoiler that we got. And I don't know if she told you or not what spoiler, but I'm not gonna tell you, and I'm gonna keep it a surprise. We brought up the diffusers, the front splitter, and a couple other things that we're gonna do. But guys, look at this. This is just couples goals right here. I love this. We got both of the babies in the garage. I wanna give you like a quick look around of the house. Through there's the garage, and this is a A-frame house, so it comes down like a church. And we have Burt Lake right here.
And then we have Bikini Bottom right here.
Oh,
and then we have Hell's Kitchen right here. And then...
yeah. So this is Burt Lake, one of the biggest inland lakes in the nation. Here is my mom's artwork that she painted. And we have the upstairs. patio and some other spots in the house. I want to show you the studio. The studio's sweet. So coming up the stairs, there's another painting of my mother's, and that's my stepdad portrayed in the painting. Here's two more of her paintings, and that's the overlook. But this is the studio. This is our music studio. Here's our setup. My stepdad's album, Acoustically Speaking. Go check him out if you like Latin, smooth jazz type music. He got his whole light set up, and all of the guitars here. Very nice. Gibsons, Suars, Fenders, Yamahas, you name it. And yeah, so I mean, that's the house. We're gonna go clean the cars and do the diffuser. So I got the camera as always, and we're about to head out.
And
Ooh,
wash our cars.
that's garage goals right there. Damn.
I'm kidding. I didn't fall.
Yeah, okay. We made it to the car wash, and we're about to get all these dirty, stinking bugs off the windshield. You can just see how dirty this car is. Look at that. She needs a wash. Bad. So we are shooting a photo shoot with our cars. But I spotted, was that a 69 or 68 maybe? I think 68. Say bye-bye, Camaro. What the hell? What she said, bro? That boy. See, I love modern car, like muscle cars, but like classic cars, there's nothing that beats that. Nothing beats classic cars, baby. Can you pull up just a little more? Keep going, you're good. Go, go. Ah!
Not fun. We probably will install a diffuser later today after my quizzes and stuff, because it really won't take that long. It's just like 6 screws and then it's on, so.
Home from the car wash and our photo shoot. We're gonna go get pizza.
Thank you.
Oh wow, okay. That didn't last long. I'm sorry, it just does not get much better than this.
So good. And if you guys think pineapple doesn't belong on pizza, unsubscribe.
Ooh. Good morning.
What's up, guys?
It's day 2
of this vlog, and today we're gonna be putting on the diffuser finally, and we're also gonna be polishing the hood of the car. So I did clear coat it, but there was a lot of drip, and there's some like matte areas. So hopefully, wet sanding and polishing it will make it look brand new. So yeah.
But she's drinking her chocolate milk.
It's coffee.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Men in black. So, we located the power drill. You guys have already seen the diffuser, I think, but in case you haven't, let me show you guys. I also have like my front lip and spoiler and everything here, but this is what it looks like.
Polyester.
And so I did order it off eBay, and it didn't come with like any screws or stuff. So I did go to Walmart and buy some screws and washers for it. So yeah. All right, so when we put this on, just to check the fitment of it, a lot of people mentioned that it might melt the diffuser, the exhaust tips, but honestly, it's like barely touching it with screws, and even I believe even with the stock exhaust tips, the exhaust pipes rather, they're like almost touching, and not a lot of people have had problems with it. I haven't heard anyone have problems with it. But yeah.
Looking at it above, you can't even really see the exhaust tips right now. Once you take off the diffuser, you know, you can really see them.
Oh, you're recording.
Recording.
So we're just gonna wipe these down real quick, and yeah.
Wow.
Now we're done.
That was
now
very...
the diffuser's installed.
Half of doing the garage work is her doing TikToks.
Gotta show the people.
Just in case you guys were wondering what it takes.
Yeah,
Literally
50% of the time.
50% of the time she's just recording TikToks and the other 50 she's putting up. But like in all reality, she's the one leading the project. I'm like her assistant. It's not like I'm installing the diffuser for her and she's helping me out. Like I don't know jack crap about what she's doing or what she has in mind. Girl power.
Yeah.
So
What's up, friends? So my screws weren't long enough, so we're gonna go get some other ones.
So it just started raining out of nowhere. So we just picked up some more screws that are longer, and not only are they longer, but they're black so that they blend in with the diffuser more. And she's backing in to the spot. No, a little lower. A little lower. Yeah, right there.
Cool. First one's done.
Awesome.
So right now what I'm using is a different screw because it's sharper and the thread is a lot more spaced out to actually drill a hole into the diffuser, since it's plastic and there's a lot of like plastic that comes out of it when you're drilling it, of course. And then I just reverse the drill, pull it out, and then put this one actually in. What's up, friends? All right, so this is the last top screw that's going in, and then we're getting 2 more in the bottom of the diffuser. But we put 4 in all of the fins, basically, 4 screws. And so again, I'm going through with this sharper screw to create the hole. And then this. And then you see all that plastic mess that gets out? So I just take it out. See? And then I have this that's actually going in. Alright, so my last screw is probably the worst screw in here. You guys gotta make sure that it's low, as Grant said, because then it will just right on top and crack, which kind of sucks. But it's the middle fin, so it's not like a huge security issue, but it still sucks. If it does eventually break, I'm gonna have to unscrew it and probably go lower, and then my car's gonna have 2 holes here. All right, so now Grant decided that we should probably screw it right here instead of an angle right here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go right after this bend. My shit won't even fit under.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm having major issues fitting this drill under, you guys. So I'm using this small screwdriver, trying to do it by my hand.
One more before Mom gets here. Pit crew, go, 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 go! Oh, she got, damn.
I'm kidding.
She got dirty.
This is what it looks like with lights on. There is some room between the exhaust and the diffuser, but not much. I'll let you guys know if it melts, but I don't think it will.
It might melt it a little bit around the perimeter, but other than that, the whole shape of the diffuser is gonna maintain, so I'm not really too worried about it.
Right. It looks pretty good, fit pretty well. Yeah, no complaints here. But now what we're gonna work on is my hood. So several videos ago, you guys saw me put clear gloss on it, and there was just some areas that did not look nice. So we're gonna go back and wet sand it and then polish it. So with the sandpaper you have, I'm using 2000 right now. I'm just gonna cut it up into like squares, and I have a big bowl of water, and we're just gonna dip them in and like kind of soak them, and then we're gonna go in circular motions. I kind of showed this in my other clear gloss video, but we're kind of doing it again because I don't know. I guess just cut that part out. Alright guys, so I just cut off the freaking 220 grit level, but we're gonna need that actually for the mini waves I got going on my hood. And
Wave check.
exactly. And then we're gonna go over with grit level 2000. This is 2000. It's like really smooth. It's like a finishing grit. Do we need to sand over the whole car?
I wouldn't, because it's wrapped.
No, I mean the hood. The hood. Do we need to sand the whole hood? I don't think so.
No.
We'll just go over the areas that really need it.
So that's what it looks like after the fact. You know, and we're gonna go over that with a polisher. Hopefully it polishes out well enough to not see it. But yeah, so that's basically what we're gonna keep doing across.
Not the whole hood, but just areas.
Yeah.
Yep.
She's getting it. And what we're about to do is we're gonna grab some water and pour it over the hood, and that acts as clear coat basically, and shows you like what spots you might need to sand down a little bit more.
Alright, so we just finished wiping it all down and now we're ready to buff. Similar to sanding, when you hit edges and curves like this and like all these different like scoops and stuff, you kind of want to avoid those or go very lightly and quickly because they will burn through the clear coat very fast.
Yes, and this is the before for this little square is what we're going to focus on right now. And as you can tell, you can see where we just finished sanding.
Check this out.
That's
If you guys can see, it looks really good now. You can see his reflection almost like a mirror. It looks really good. Sucks when you only have one dual action polisher because I'm literally just sitting here and watching him work and vice versa. So.
Stella and the Z. Still buffing. I'm throwing the tennis ball with Stella. Close up of this before and after. No way.
Hold on.
Okay, not exactly.
Most of it.
got-
They're right in the middle because that's where I was pointing it at.
I can still see it though.
Yeah,
Like
I can
when
still see it
when I
right
do
over
this.
here. Let me try again.
Tired. Yeah, I can see it.
Give me a different angle of the light so I can see better. Okay.
So we realized the heat gun, we went too deep with this. Like, see this all how...
Grant called it. He said, don't use 220. And I'm like, it's the only way we can get, it's true. It's the only way we can get the waves out, but it's too rough for, what's it called? Buffing. And Grant said, don't do it.
So we started buffing it and it didn't come out, like I said. And so we're like, okay, we got to re-clear coat it. She's like, how about we try the heat gun? So she just melted the freaking scratch completely off. I don't even see it.
I don't either.
I'll give you guys forget the before and afters of buffing because that wasn't working. It wasn't going very well. I want to give you a before and after of the heat gun. Right here, you can see how terrible and how, this is after we buffed it, mind you.
Yeah.
You can see how bad that looks, right? It's just not reflective, it's very dull. So this is the after product. And it's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better.
Alright guys, that's the end of this vlog.
Yes, hope you guys enjoyed it.
And stay tuned for the one that's upcoming because I have like so many parts I have to install, of course.
Dude, her whole car is filled with parts.
Literally
right now.
car parts.
So yeah, no, we got some cool stuff coming up for you guys. So hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Subscribe and like.